Sleep paralysis is a temporary inability to move or speak that occurs when you're waking up or falling asleep. It's not harmful and should pass in a few seconds or minutes, but can be very frightening. Many people have sleep paralysis once or twice in their life, while others experience it a few times a month or more regularly. It affects people of all ages and is most common in teenagers and young adults. The main symptom of sleep paralysis is being completely aware of your surroundings but temporarily being unable to move or talk. This usually occurs as you're waking up, but can happen when falling asleep. The length of an episode can vary from a few seconds to several minutes. You'll be able to move and speak as normal afterwards, although you may feel unsettled and anxious about going to sleep again.